Hey guys, and happy new year to all of you. In this video I have created a new look for you, so without any further delay let's get started. So I am using this moisturizer from Biotic and applying all over my face. Then I am using this baby lip from Maybelline for lip hydration. I am using dark brown shade for filling my eyebrows. Next I am using this concealer from Maybelline Fit Me for shaping my eyebrows and to conceal my eyes. I am using this eyeshadow palettes from Wet n Wild. I am using this transition shade and applying on my brow bone. I am using the darkest shade from the palette and applying on my crease area. I am using this eyeshadow palette and using the darkest brown shade and applying on my outer corner. Next I am using the white shade from the palette and applying on my inner corner. Next I am using this glitter eyeliner from this color and applying on my crease area as well as a liner. So I am using this NYX Pore Filler Primer. I am using the same concealer on my darker area. Blending it from my Real Technique Beauty Blender. Next I am using this two foundation together and mixing and making my own shade. And I am applying on my face. Next I am using this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder and setting my whole face. Next I am using the Dear Darling tint as blush. And blending with my finger. Using the Shivana Colors blush palette and using the darkest brown shade as a contour. I'm not doing a heavy contour, I'm just giving a warmness to my face. Next I'm using the darker brown shade and applying on my lower lash. Next I'm using this mascara from Maybelline Colossal and applying on my lashes. Next time I'm using this lipstick from Sugar. And now I'm using my favorite Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter on my higher points of my face. And applying on my inner corners of eyes and highlighting my brow bone. Now my makeup is done, so that's it for the video. Hope you like this video and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.